While the wind gusts may have died down, they caused some significant damage in the city and the suburbs before they left. CBS 2's V Wynn is live along the lakefront. How are things looking out there this morning, V?
Yeah, hey there, Ed. Good morning. It's definitely chilly and breezy along the lakefront right now, but it was a different story yesterday. Yesterday, it was so windy, the strong winds may have even sparked a house fire in the northwest suburbs. You can hear the wind and the wood crackling as the fire burned in McHenry. Multiple fire departments responded to this massive house fire on Burning Tree Circle. Firefighters battled the intense flames from the ground and eventually got everything under control. It's unclear right now if anyone was home at the time when the fire started. Then around the same time on the tri-state, about 5 miles from the Wisconsin border, just take a look at what happened to the semi in the eastbound lanes of Russell Road. The strong winds caused this semi rollover in Wadsworth. All eastbound lanes were closed for a short time. No word yet on how the driver is doing. So back out here live, we heard it all morning today. Yesterday, the big story was the strong winds, and today it's going to be the drop in temperatures. Reporting live along the lakefront, V Wynn, CBS 2 News.